Yo everyone, welcome to a totally unrelated video to the channel. Just gonna put this one up there. Occasionally I like to stick miscellaneous videos up, so this is one of them videos. I won't do it that often. Onto this video, Too Good To Go. If you don't know about it, have a look at it. Basically, long and the short, it's stuff that supermarkets and that can't sell. They put it up for a discounted price, so you can buy it on the cheap. There is downsides, so you don't know what you're getting, that sort of thing. But anyway, last night I was browsing the app and Butterwick's Bakery come up on there. We've purchased 2 bags, so I'm off inside to go and collect my 2 bags. Ready whenever you are.
See what the first
First up.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh.
Always a choc sprinkle donut.
You're
Know
happy.
Me, know me.
So Alana 1, Scott 0 at the moment.
Yep, I'm so happy. We've got 2 bags. Maybe we'll get a bag's worth of stuff each. I'll put that on there.
Maybe. I feel like you're going to earn more out of this
Got a
than
bit
me.
of icing on my finger.
Oh, that's terrible.
That's really on.
I'm not going to film it because that's too erotic for the internet.
Oh, this is going to be a brownie.
Oh, this could be mine.
Hey, one of the sprinkly ones.
Sprinkle donut. Donut? Brownie?
That's not a donut.
That's not a donut.
It's got, I think it might be cosmic brownie.
Oh.
I've spent too much time browsing delivery, can you tell? I won't put that one on the dash. I'll leave that for my box.
By the way, you weren't here when I started this video.
No.
No, it's amazing.
I was at work. I'm not at work anymore.
You've transported.
Hey, look, we've got one each. We've got 2 of those.
So Alana 2, Scott 1.
One of those each. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, we've got something else in the bag.
We've got a box.
Oh,
So
I
we've
love
got
a box.
we've
Is
got-
it just a box?
We've got 4 things.
Four
things.
4 things.
From one bag, and then 4 in the other.
Oh, do you know what? For £3.39, I don't think that's
Is that
bad.
how much it is?
I think it's
£3.39.
£3.39 a bag at the
price,
at
so
the
less than £1 per item.
I'm going to say at time of recording
I can't
because
open
it
the box.
could change because this might go absolutely viral.
Oh, you're going to be happy.
Oh,
I think are they caramel cookie or something?
oh,
Cupcake.
not me.
Look at that bad boy.
Yeah, I think that's 2 out of
I'd
that
say
bag.
that's 2 too. I would
But-
also eat this one,
Yeah.
but I'll let you have that one.
I'll go harsh with you.
The other bag might be identical. That's what
Do you know what? I'd be more than happy if it is identical.
Yeah.
By the way, like I think there was 10 of these bags on the app this
I
morning,
wonder if that's actually true.
and this makes me really sad that I said this morning that I browsed Too Good To Go this morning and we
Like
brought
7
cake.
o'clock this morning.
Yeah,
Let me just pop this one in the back.
you pop that one in the back, me darling.
Oh.
By the way, it's now officially like tallied with the channel because we're in a Freelander now.
Yeah, good point.
I've gone from a Clio to a Freelander. It's amazing.
Right, let's have a look. Oh, I think this is going to be...
It's almost
Sorry, I just noticed it.
it's almost like I recorded it on slightly different days.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay. We've got
I'm focusing on your hands.
2 bags. 2 bags and 2 boxes in this one.
Oh, so it's not going to be the same.
Unless they've put one of them in a box just to trick us.
Oh,
You ready?
I'm ready.
This is a donut. You can tell by the shape again. Is it going to be another choc sprinkle? Yeah, another choc sprinkle.
Oh,
Look at the size of this.
don't, I'm just going to ram it into your hand.
Same size as my head.
Oh,
I smell, literally smell it.
I'm smelling.
Smell it. Smell it.
Smells good. Smell-o-vision enabled.
Exactly. And can I just say it? We're doing this at 9:20 on a Sunday morning.
There you go.
Excuse
for
the mud.
Yeah, that's not chocolate milkshake. That is mud
Oh,
from
look,
when.
another choc sprinkle.
Oh, the choc sprinkles. Like I said, that was mud from when Alana managed to go through water and managed to get it inside the car.
It came off of the GoPro actually. I didn't splat the middle of the car. Right, you ready? These are going to be 2 cupcakes then.
Oh, I bet one of the cupcakes is going to be the
I
same
think
as
they're
the other.
both going to be the same.
Yeah. But I'm happy with that.
Yeah, me too.
I feel like we're winning in life. Sorry,
I feel like I'm
I'm
lucky.
cramping your room.
Yep, look. Oh no, it's a crunchy one.
Oh, winning.
Crunchy. That is me happy.
By the way, I've lost tally because I feel like you're pretty much game for any of these so far.
Yeah, there's none of them I wouldn't eat.
I was
And there's none of them you wouldn't eat either.
And just to point, just to kind of make both videos make sense, I did get 2 of these bags before, and it might have contained 8 carrot cake cookies. And
Yeah.
as much as they were nice, Alana don't like that. I did, but do you know what? 8 carrot cake cookies, that's tough going.
Yeah, he looks like a carrot cake cookie at present.
So I'm happy that it's all different stuff.
Final one.
Final one of the bag. What have we got?
They're really hard
Dun,
to
dun,
open. Oh, it's another
dun.
crunchy cupcake.
Crunchy cupcake.
Yeah, there's less crunchy on this one though.
Winning.
So you can have this one.
Way. I feel like we've got his and hers almost out of this.
Too right.
I feel like we can work this. How do you feel about your bag
I'm quite
or bags?
happy. I'm quite happy. I'm happier with these ones than the carrot cake one. 'Cause
Yeah.
These work for me. The carrot
Way.
cake one doesn't.
Winning. Anyway, remember, like, comment, subscribe. Alana loves it when I say that sort of stuff.
Thank you.
And all that jazz. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Alana.
Goodbye.